I see this as one of my best investments of time into my lifelong learning journey, as well as professional development. I mean, where else would you go when it comes to design thinking? Stanford is the cradle of design thinking.
The style of teaching that happens here is so different. Everyone is so full of energy. You're all in. Learning by doing, full immersion. That's how we want our students to learn. It is just time to just take your mind to a different place and to a different level. It kind of surprised me that I could just let my guard down a little bit more. That I don't have to be, the professor or the associate dean. I can just be Shanita.
Every single day has been phenomenal, paradigm shifting. But yesterday, the empathy building exercise brought us together. I mean, we all came from different parts of the country, different universities. We hail from different backgrounds, different cultures and all that. It really struck a chord with, I think, everybody.
It's opened my eyes quite a great deal to the possibilities, to the magic of collaboration and working with a diverse group of people.
So I am new to this particular role, and so I have a new team. And so it's been so thought-provoking about just how I am as a leader as well, and how I can help my team to innovate. So I think it just raises my awareness of how I go about my day, how I interact with people, how I listen, how I give feedback, what is the environment I'm setting up.
Some of these activities help me to be a little bit more mindful, a little bit more aware, and just approach things just from a more open-minded perspective. And so I believe that that's the type of activity and thoughts that we should be doing at more of our institutions.
My intention is to share immersive empathy. And I want to use that to bring effective collegial collaboration among our faculty. If I can succeed 50% of what we all experienced here yesterday, I will count that as a phenomenal success.
And I think others from our institutions should consider coming here and being here. And moreover, they should consider involving their students in these processes as well.
The world is in need of a new breed of leadership. And I think that breed of leadership must have a sense of design thinking. What are you waiting for? The bus is going to leave you. You're going to become antiquated if you stick with the knowledge that you have. Like I said, this is a newness of knowledge. It is a new creation of knowledge. And this is what is going to revolutionize the world.